Good afternoon, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the weekly analysis that it goes from today, the 1st of July, until the 7th of this, and something that we spoke about obviously about 8 weeks ago, and it was the possibility that the retracements that we experienced previously was just part of a new potential buying pattern built by the price itself and obviously the fluctuation between buyers and sellers. And as you can see, we haven't touched this line so far for the last 2 months, and right now we see a potential on this particular pattern, the higher low in the monthly chart. Right now the price is 641 with 58. Keep an eye on this particular pattern and this special time frame, because this can be the reference for whoever is actually buying and holding right now. Because if somebody wants to sell maybe above 800, we need to wait for the price to break up, be above 683 with 26, because so far this is the new obstacle. This resistance has to be absorbed by the buyers. Obviously we need to take away all the sellers in order to push the price once again to build a new rally, and the next target could be $815 per coin. Something that we might have to take into consideration, and whoever is holding for kind of like a long term, just keep an eye on the monthly, which is some of the best possibilities to keep obviously the targets in place in case that some people don't do day trading. But so far this situation is something that is very positive. It seems like the price is definitely start taking off, and the last thing that can happen is just the penetration from the 800 from 683 with 26 can definitely push the price one more time. And now that we have all this situation with the federal government in the US auctioning over something like 30,000 coins, that can actually help also the price to give a little bit of more incentive in terms of high prices, and why not moving the price up towards new levels. But right now this is the weekly chart. Sorry, this is the daily chart. Here's the weekly chart. We spoke about this a few weeks ago, potential higher low information, and as you can see the entry was in 609 with 98, pushed the price up, new volume came in, and so far price is trying to absorb all this congestion in the left hand side in order to push the price one more time towards 710 which is, in my opinion, just an obstacle for the price to push once again towards this area. This is the main area for me that at this point it should be the new target for the price itself. Now that we have higher low in the monthly chart, higher low in the weekly chart, and higher low on the 3-day chart, that can definitely confirm the intentions of the price, and especially the intentions of the buyers. And if the volume comes in, especially the buyers volume, we can definitely see a new rally, and July can be a very interesting month for the price towards obviously new levels, and especially that area 815 could be something possible in the short term. And last but not least, here is the intraday. As you can see, the daily chart, after this retracement, price was trying to build again a new lower high, but instead buyers managed to deny in 100% this previous retracement, and look at what happened. And a small pause, a small break for the price, and then a continuation of what was inevitable at this point, which was basically buyers taking full control of the situation. And so far there is the new congestion. This is the new obstacle. Price needs to absorb, especially buyers need to absorb all the sellers in this area in order to push the price once again towards above 683. If that happens, 683 with 26, if that happens, we can definitely see a new rally, and the next higher low on the daily chart can be something we might take into consideration now that we see now 3 higher lows in the top 3 major time frames. Keep an eye on it. Very good opportunities coming for this month. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading and a fabulous week. See you around. Goodbye.